This is a brief lesson on the apostrophe. We've covered this material in class, but this should give you a good review of it. Relative to the apostrophe, which is a small comma-like mark that is above the letters, you'll see it here in the word Bob's, that's an apostrophe. It's used in only two situations as far as we're concerned with here. And their situations are possessives and contractions. Possessives is when something owns something or something belongs to something else. So for example, if we look at this sentence here, Bob's head is big, the head belongs to Bob. So Bob needs to be in a possessive form. So here's one of the rules. If you're making a singular noun possessive, you put an apostrophe before the S. So in this case, Bob apostrophe S head is big. The house apostrophe S door is red. The dog apostrophe S bark is loud. And so all of those are singular. And then we go on to, if you're making a plural noun possessive, put the apostrophe after the S. So in this case, the boy's gym is being used. Notice here the gym is for many boys. Citizens' rights are protected by the Bill of Rights. Citizens, again, is plural here. Now notice that if we were simply talking about citizens gathering together somewhere, we wouldn't use an apostrophe because it would not be possessive. Now we've got a couple of situations that I want to go over here that are kind of odd or exceptional. Number one is if you have a plural noun that does not end in S, then you add an S after an apostrophe. So for example, children is plural but does not end in S. If we want to talk about the children's toys, we add an S but an apostrophe before the S, because the plural children does not end in S. Same thing with women's room being down the hall. Women is plural to make it possessive. Women's room, the apostrophe before the S. It can create a bit of a problem, and this is one of those things that may show up on the test. When we want to say it's and make it a possessive, it would be something like its box is full. Notice we do not use an apostrophe, because if we did use an apostrophe, it would look like the contraction of it is, its. And so it's going to be a long day, no possessive. We use the apostrophe, it is going to be a long day. The second situation is contractions, a little less complicated. It's simply where we're putting words together like it is to make its, and do not to make don't. And notice the apostrophe goes where the letter is missing. And that is it on apostrophes. Thank you.